Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Loom to record quick tutorials. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is simply get the Loom app. So once you get the Loom app on your desktop, Chrome extension and mobile, you can simply start a recording. Click the Loom icon in the Chrome or open the desktop app and choose the recording type. You can choose screen only, camera only, or screen plus camera. Now select the screen options like full, current tab, or a specific window and choose microphone and camera. Now record your tutorial. Hit the start button and you're all go. So after this, you need to simply finish and share. Click the stop button. Loom will automatically upload your video to your Loom library. You will get a reshareable link and you can simply trim the video, add a call to action button, or control who can view it. So this is how you can simply use Loom to record quick tutorials. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.